Okay, the last segment we're going to cover today in this virtual seminar is a question of how I select a lawyer, or what I expect from my lawyer and what my lawyer can expect from me. Gary, first question. How do I determine if I need a lawyer?
You know, if you've been listening to this virtual injury seminar and you're just aware of laws, rules, regulations, like workers' comp has thousands of rules and regulations, there are hundreds of laws. If it's a very complicated matter, you probably do need your own attorney. Sometimes when people come to us, we tell them, you don't need an attorney for this or that or this one. But when you're dealing with personal injury, you're dealing with your future, proving medical terms and trying to recover from an insurance company for the at-fault party. It's complicated enough where you do need an attorney.
How do I pick the attorney? Let's say I'm gonna try and check out attorneys. So how do I even find them?
Well, you need to find out attorneys find attorneys that are experienced. So you need to, if you meet with them, ask them, are you experienced? You need to have attorneys that are knowledgeable in your area. Look, real estate lawyers sometimes know about other areas. Bankruptcy lawyers sometimes know about other areas. Water lawyers, I don't think would know anything about personal injury. You need to find experienced, knowledgeable injury lawyers who have been down this road before and can protect your interests and the interests of your family.
Okay, now I boil it down to a few injury lawyers. I've seen them on TV, I've seen them on the radio. Is that where I should go every time?
It's not where you go every time. You've got to go to find a lawyer, interview them, find out if they're knowledgeable, as I said, find out if they're experienced. But when you meet with the lawyers, there's other criteria. Look, does this lawyer listen to me? Does this lawyer listen to what I've said? Are they compassionate about what they do? It's just not a factory. Are they compassionate about you, how it's affected you, how your injuries affected your family?
What about a lawyer who's trying to get me to sign up right there, sign the contract right there? Should I always do that? Should I never do it? What should I be looking at?
You know, most of the time when you come to our firm, we don't have you sign up a representation agreement to hire us right then. Some people want to do that. So we make sure they understand the nature of the relationship. Some people take our paperwork home. What you have to do is the common denominator. You have to understand if you feel comfortable with your lawyer, if they're knowledgeable, if they're experienced, and if they have compassion for you.
Okay, if the lawyer says, let's sign it now, is there anything wrong with that?
There's nothing wrong with it. You can do it. Many people, when they come visit us, we spend 45 minutes to an hour with them. They understand the process. We open their eyes. They realize they need somebody and they want to hire the attorney then. There's nothing wrong with that, but you just need to make sure you feel comfortable with this relationship and with the attorney.
What about a lawyer who says he's never lost a case?
Well, then I don't think that lawyer has tried many cases, Brad, because every lawyer that I know that has tried cases has lost cases, because lots of things can go wrong in a jury trial or a trial. But you want experienced lawyers who are honest with you, forthright with you, and tell you exactly what the history has been.
How about when I look at the lawyer and I say, what's my case worth, if the lawyer can't tell me what it's worth?
You know, that's almost my favorite question from new clients, because they talk to me, they look, then they say, well, you know, how much is my case worth? My answer is always the same, then as well as here today. My answer is, I don't know what your case is worth. Sounds like a stupid answer, but it's not, because I don't know what your back injury or your neck injury or your nerve injury is going to result in. I don't know if it's going to result in surgery. I don't know if it's going to cost $75,000 for the surgery. So you need a lawyer who knows those things. So I always say, and we always say in our firm, we don't know what your case is worth right now. And if you have a lawyer, and if you're talking to a lawyer that tells you what your case is worth right now, you've got the wrong attorney.
Well, Gary, why should a client walking in with a personal injury case hire Bell Pollock?
Bell Pollock is experienced. We've been in business for many, many years. We have over 50 years of combined legal experience. We attend seminars all the time. We're compassionate about our clients. And Brad, you and I have been in business together over 25 years, just by ourselves. We've outlived many defense firms in this town and plaintiffs firms in this town. We have stability, we have integrity, and we have compassion, and that's what you need to know.